We are heading into Telluride. Oh my gosh, this autumn color is amazing. These mountains, getting to Telluride has to be half the fun. This has been an absolutely beautiful trip. For us, this is a day trip out of Ouray, where we're camping at the amphitheater for a week. You can see that video that we've already posted. Okay, we're coming into Telluride now. We are going to go to Mountain Village because we received a tip from people at the campsite that said you're better off going to Mountain Village and taking the gondola into Telluride, especially on a day like today where it's going to be a lot of traffic. Yeah, gondola, yes, Mountain Village. So we were told, on top of everything, that the gondola is free, which is amazing. So this is a planned community up here, looks like.
It's a golf course.
Oh yeah, golf course. Wow, what a view.
Okay, we're just going to the town and find one.
I can imagine this village with snow everywhere. To show this to my boys, all those bikes coming down the hill. We did that in Cresta Butte a couple of years ago. She's 15 and a half, so she can't really hear anymore.
Oops.
But she can see.
Yeah.
She's on the adventure of a lifetime.
You can see. Puppy, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think about all this? She said, really, parents, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? It's a bump to bump. There's a bump to bump. Look at that freaking color.
Yeah.
That, the camera's not even showing how intense that color is. Wow. Wow. People, this is really a neat experience. Look at that. dingy dogs. One thing I love about these Colorado mountain towns is they have tons of flowers. Reminds me of Switzerland. Here's a skate park. Still beautiful. I think we're going into a park down here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at the blue-green of those pine trees against the yellow-orange of the aspens. Beautiful. And here's a lake. Those beautiful reflections. Oh, look at the graduated tones of the aspens. Yellowing. You notice that about everybody up through here has roof access. Oh no! This is just such an amazing backdrop behind every building. And there's the courthouse. All these homes have a lot of character. And even the ones that have been updated still have retained a lot of the original character. Telluride!
Hi, Telluride! Boy, that'll give you some exercise. How do you do that? Like that? Oh, nice.
Ooh, some breeze. Village. We did not get off at the San Sofia, the top, to look at everything. But anyway, we went to Telluride and we came back. That was all free. Thought at first we could pay for parking, but gosh, it was nothing.
Yeah, you gotta carry the dog because it still stares her little tootsies.
We hope you've enjoyed this adventure to Mountain Village in Telluride. If you have, give us a like below and subscribe to see all of our travels. See you on the next adventure.